Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure the app and connection aren't the issue. Update Instagram, then switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to rule out network glitches. Once done, restart your phone to clear temporary faults and clear the app cache on Android or offload the app on iOS to remove corrupted files while keeping data. These steps remove the most common barriers quickly so you can isolate whether the problem is the device, the network, or the app itself, and then move to targeted fixes. Now diagnose the upload process by focusing on file compatibility and permissions. You should verify your video uses MP4/H, 264 codecs, reasonable resolution like 1080p, and fits story length limits. If not, compress or trim it. Next, test by recording a short story inside Instagram to see if native capture works, which isolates encoding problems. Also revoke and reauthorize camera, microphone, and storage permissions so the app can access files properly. This narrows down whether the issue is the file, the app, or device permissions. Finish by confirming the root cause and validating the fix. Reinstall Instagram to reset deeper app issues and try uploading from the web or another device. If it works elsewhere, the problem is local to your phone. Once you've replicated the problem on a second device or account, gather screenshots, exact error messages, and timestamps, then contact Instagram support. If uploads still fail after these steps, make sure to mention network type, video specs, and previous troubleshooting. This speeds resolution and helps support pinpoint server or account problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.